everyone, my name is Surbi Khurana and I'm from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform that is ZIIEI. ZIIEI stands for Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today, I'm going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also I'm going to talk about various learning processes with the students in a very fun and an interactive way. Now, we will discuss this chapter named as uh, In the Zoo. This chapter is of class 5. It is from the UP board, chapter number 3, and the subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea is self-created dictionary. The innovation is that through this idea, self-created dictionary, students will be able to revise the chapter through its vocabulary. The idea is simple. Students will be required to create a self-created dictionary. The time required to implement this idea is around 20 minutes. Today we are going to cover the chapter In the Zoo using the idea self-created dictionary. The educator may ask the student to read the chapter at home and find out any difficult words and write it down in their notebooks. The second step will be to find out the different words and then finding out its meaning by asking their parents or by using a dictionary. For example, in the chapter In the Zoo, there are certain words like crowd, relax, hurt, um, attack, etc. Then on the next day, students, when they will come to the class after reading the chapter and finding out the difficult words with their meanings, they will share their meaning in the classroom. For example, crowd means a group of people, and attack means to hurt someone, or relax means to be physically comfortable, etc. Conclude by appreciating all the students for their efforts, and the following idea has certain learning outcomes. Students will be able to respond orally in any language, including the sign language. They will be able to listen to the words in English. They will be able to use polite from a form of expression and use these words in simple sentence formation. They will be able to talk and have self-confidence. They will be able to learn new words and relate them with the theme and also use them in their daily life situations. The things that should be noted down are: more question can be framed as per the different concept from the lesson and the class strength. The activity can be continued till all the students in the class get a chance to respond. It should be ensured that all the students pay attention to what others are speaking and add any word if they feel it's difficult and they didn't have added in their dictionary. Make it interesting by making groups of the pair or pair of the peers, and they will be able to help their friends in the classroom. The duration of this activity can be changed according to the pupil to and teacher ratio. The core life skills that can be included are critical thinking, decision making, and effective communication in the classroom. The values that can be touched upon are patience. Students will be able to help each other and be patient in the classroom, and also they will have the courage to do difficult things. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our page on Facebook.